Hi everybody. I hope that you people are doing great and you people are safe. So today I'm going to explain you about a new model. So we're going to build a model on damaged vehicle. Say you want to classify between a vehicle which is a vehicle which is damaged and a vehicle which is not damaged. Okay. So since the model needs to predict a lot of features in an image of the vehicle. So we use efficient P4 classification neural network. Okay, so let me go click on efficient P4. Go to next. Let me name this model as damaged vehicle classification. Okay, so in the class one, I'll give it as damaged cars or damaged vehicles. And in the second class, I'll be naming it as non-damaged vehicles. Okay. Okay. So it is showing us, the character should not exceed more than 20. So we'll do one thing. We'll just remove this, okay, non-damaged. Philosophy. Okay, so in this we, if you remember the last video, I was taking 5 classes. So here in this, I'm taking only 2 classes, which is one is damaged vehicles, and another one is non-damaged cars. Okay, non-damaged vehicles, whatever. Okay, 2 classes. So I'll what's the next step that we'll do is like we'll just go to browse. We'll add images of damaged vehicles. So for this damaged vehicles, I got the data set from the same asset. As I take every time, I'll take the data set from the Kaggle. So for this also, I took the data set from the Kaggle. So I'll just quickly go to my local environment and upload some images of vehicle which is damaged. So I have uploaded some images and damaged vehicles. Let me see what is the number of images uploaded. Yeah, it is somewhere around 250 images. Okay, so I uploaded 250 images of damaged cars vehicle images. So these are 250 damaged vehicles. Similarly, I'll go to non-damaged cars class. I'll click on browse and I'll upload images of vehicles which are not damaged. Okay, so it's just basically which are clean. So I have also uploaded some images in non-damaged cars. So there are 260 images of cars here, which is not damaged. Fine. So there are 250 images and there are 260 images. Let me do one thing. Let me add some more 10 images in class, in the first class, so that it will be equal. So in the class of damaged vehicles, there are 260 images, and in the class of non-damaged cars, there are 250 images. Okay, so now we are good to go for the training. So we will start pressing the start training button. Okay, so the moment I clicked on start training button, so I'll be getting pop-up saying that your model is training. So we'll send a notification once the email. So they'll be sending a notification for us once the model is getting trained. Okay. Thank you. So the model training has successfully trained. So now let us go to the other step, which is the second step, which is the testing phase. Let us go to our model. Okay, so the training phase has done. So this is the version 1 which I got. Okay, and the validation accuracy is 99%. And accuracy is 99%. Okay, so the total trained images was 460 and the validation images was 104. Okay, so this is the first step, not the first step, but the first phase. So now let us go to the testing phase. Okay, so let us go choose a file. Let me try with some damaged vehicles. Yeah, so the model says that the image which I just uploaded, so this image is 85% confident that this is a damaged car. Okay, the damaged image. Okay, so similarly, so for testing the model, so you can use the images which you haven't used for training too. So that will show you a good, a good score, good prediction score. Similarly, let us try looking some non-damaged vehicles too. Let us try taking the car which I want to own. Yeah. So here, the image which I just uploaded. So the model is pretty sure, pretty confident. 91% confident that this image is a non-damaged car. Let us try with one more example if you want. I will use the same image. It still shows the same. So here the model says that this is 93% confident that this image is a non-damaged car. Okay, so we have done with the testing phase. So now let us go to the export phase. Like as I said, our Navan.ai has 3 export models. One is download model first, and we have download Docker image. So for this, you need to have Docker running in your environment, in a local environment. And the third one is deploy model as API. So we are also providing API services. All the server requirements will be from our side only. Okay, so these are all 3 expert models that we have done. So feel free to contact us if you have any questions or any queries, or if you really want us to build some other use cases. You can just feel free to give those use case names. So we'll try to build those models. Thank you.